B-roll time?
B-roll time.
Feels like I've been doing way too much, babe. Feels like I've been working through your stuff, babe. Over time, lately it's been getting kind of tough, babe. Feels like
What's up, guys? Halfway Kicks. We are back with another video. If you haven't already, subscribe, like, and comment. My name is Bendo.
And my name is AJ, and we also got
Hello, Drew.
Drew. What up?
What's up, baby?
Damn.
We are back. Halfway Kicks here. You watched the verses yesterday?
No.
No?
No.
Oh,
Is it good?
that's cool.
Oh. I thought you were hyping it up.
I realized Omarion can't sing and Mario still got vocals.
Mario,
Wait, so Mario won?
Mario killed him.
Damn, really?
He had. I mean, Omarion had all the antics, you know, eating the watermelon, this and that. It was it was whack. But anyways, we are back. We are gonna show you some shoes today.
Another pair of Air Jordan 2s, but this time
Let me show him. Let me show him.
the A Ma Maniére Air Jordan 2 and another very, very sexy box.
I think out of all the twos, including the off-whites and all that little collab, the Mason Chateau Rouge,
This is the
Union,
one.
I think these were the ones I was most excited for.
Yeah, I agree. Well, yeah.
Without looking at the shoes, what would you rate? What would you rate these?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
I think
10 out of 10.
I think this is going to be a classic Air Jordan 2 along with the retros.
10 out of 10 is correct.
10
I mean,
out of 10.
the packaging is pretty fire.
Yeah.
It has the little sleeve like all the A Ma Maniére. A Ma Maniere's killing it with it.
Oh, yeah.
They are doing really, really well.
So, let's open these, man, because
Damn. I thought you liked them.
No, there was some thunder outside. That's
Oh,
what happened.
yeah, that's
Yeah.
yeah.
live in the desert, so go ahead and open these. I haven't seen them yet, but
You haven't seen these?
No, I haven't. I'm gonna let you.
I
know.
haven't seen these either, so
Ooh.
Okay, so it looks like
That's presentation right there.
yeah. See, like details like this.
Damn, and he got the Hoochie Daddy shorts.
He
does he?
started the hoochie.
Oh yes, he does.
He started the hoochie. Sorry,
Daddy
did you
Hoochie.
see where my finger went? My bad.
Oh, no.
Okay, anyways, Hoochie Daddy shorts, high socks, AJ 2s. I mean, he knew it was summertime.
At
2020.
a dunk contest. Jeez.
Okay, all right. Paper's all right. You know, I'm a Maniere. Yeah. Okay, let's get to the shoe. Ooh, wee.
Oh my God. That is a
Here you go, sir.
luxury. That's the
Damn.
first. That's the first word that comes to mind. Luxury.
Damn, how many laces did they give us?
How many is in there?
2 on this one. Black.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's
Oh,
a
that's a
tag.
tag, okay.
But still.
All right, let's move this box, even though it's beautiful. There you go. Bam.
Presentation for the box is also fire already. So let's get to this, man.
2, no pun intended.
Haha.
Right off the bat, I like that he incorporated some black into the
Yeah.
shoes. The Air Jordan 3s and the 2s did not have any black on it.
Mhm.
It just looks good. I
Did
feel
you say
like
Air Jordan 3s and the 2s?
yeah, the 3s and
Air
the
Jordan
1s.
1.
Sorry, 3s and the 1s. My bad. The Air Jordan 3s and the 1s didn't have any black on it. And I feel like the reason why is because first, originally, you know how the releases went for the 3s.
Mhm.
It was all women's sizes, and all the men wanted it. I think he's realizing the men are the market for these.
Yeah.
So he put a lot of black on this, and I like it a lot. I feel like it's very masculine.
It still has that black. What are we calling the inner linings?
Quilt?
Quilt.
Quilts.
Quilt lining on the inside.
Very
And black.
luxury.
I like the brown part on the back of the shoe too. You know, and he got the linings right here with it on the midfoot. And the black on the sole. Snakeskin? Python?
Mamba?
Mamba. Hey.
Mamba vibes.
Hey now.
Vibes for sure.
And then this, what do you call this, Drew? Right here.
It's a heel cup.
Heel cup.
The
Heel cup.
Heel cup.
Or like you could
Is-
say TPU with heel cap. That's what they have it as on StockX.
All right. Well, whatever he said, it's more translucent on this.
You know what? I'm gonna change my stance. I'm gonna go with a 9 on these ones.
What?
Just cause, hear me out. On the toe part, it stands out a little bit more than the usual 2s.
Okay, I see what you're saying.
Oh, right.
It's kind of
here.
the outline.
Yeah,
is-
if they could flush it with the 2s, with a
See
regular,
Put it
with this
there
one,
you go.
there
Kinda
you
see it
go,
right
right
It's
there.
the outline.
Yeah.
Yeah,
the outsole.
but I mean,
Now that you pointed it out, it's kind of funky.
Right?
Yeah.
when you wear it, it probably won't notice, but just having it on hand. But either way, I'm still gonna say these are probably the best collab of any of the 2s.
Yeah. 100%. Cracked leather.
Crack leather all
Is this
around.
the same cracked leather that's on the ones, or is it different?
Yeah.
This is the same.
It's the same.
Yeah.
Yes.
Actually, the midsole with the snake skin,
Uh-huh.
that's on the ones on the swoosh.
That's right, but it's like a
Snakes
burgundy.
Yeah.
Burgundy color.
Burgundy.
I wonder why he's entering a lot of snakeskin lately.
Either way,
Looks good.
A Ma Maniére is killing the collab. The best collab so far for all 3 shoes. Even though it's weird because he released the 3s and he went to the 1s and then to the 2s.
I think he started with 3s because it was his favorite, right?
Mhm.
And then he was like, okay, well, might as well do them all. And then went to 1. Now he's on 2. So 4.
The pictures of the fours.
The 4s.
So fire.
The 4s is gonna be like probably the most expensive one.
Yeah.
Resale value.
The 4s are, they kind of have the same vibe as the 1s. It's just like that, like cream and burgundy look, right?
Yeah, but the 4s are gonna have more material with the
Yeah.
netting
And the wings.
plastic,
Yeah.
You know,
Ooh, so much he can play off of on those shoes.
if the little, shall we insert the picture here, right here, right there with the 4s.
Yeah.
That is gonna be, if that's a real shoe that's gonna come out. Oh my goodness!
And 4s are hot right now. Super hot. I don't think, okay, this is my take. I don't think any of them are going to beat the 3s.
I like the 3s still.
I think just because it kick-started it all,
Mm.
I think they're never going to get beat. Unless,
Shoe of the year 2021.
yeah.
So I don't even think these are gonna fight for the shoe of the year.
No, I don't think so.
But nonetheless, A Ma Maniére is killing the.
Yeah. The
It's,
2s are just not as popular as the 3.
It's not. These are. I got these close to retail. I think probably paid a little over $20, but I did win the foam runners and sold those for these bad boys.
Look at that.
You know.
Thank you, Kanye.
What's the resale right now?
Resale. The last sale was $305 for 12. So it's still not that bad.
Retail is what, $225?
$225.
Not bad at all.
2s are just not holding their value.
You know, no shoe is unreachable. You could always you could always pay for whatever the resale is. That's how. It depends on how much you want them.
Yeah.
You know. That's why.
That's
I paid for
facts.
You know.
So I give these a 10 out of 10. Drew, what's your rate?
I still do 10 out of 10.
Oh, okay, so you do like these.
I do like those.
I can't wait to wear these.
I don't think any other laces would look good on this except for the black. I just really like this
That's-
contrast.
I think that's true. Yeah. I think if they made the ones kind of like similar to this,
I feel like
Drew, a little black on
that would be.
the ones is missing one color.
Yes.
Like I don't know what color, but it's missing a color. It's just two tones, right?
I believe so.
I haven't seen a lot of people wear the ones too.
No, you haven't, huh?
I've seen a lot more women wearing the 3s though.
Yeah.
And the women's, they're killing the fit game right now.
Yeah.
Because summertime, we just wearing the hoochie daddy shorts with whatever sneakers is fire.
yeah,
Hey,
something with strings.
Yes.
I love my shorts with some strings.
you know what I noticed too that Drew mentioned? This is the only collab that has both shoes with the Maniere on there. Because the Mason only had one, and the Union only had a Nike logo. But they actually have their name on The back tab.
Mason has it on the back.
Yeah, only one shoe. Though.
Oh yeah.
But this is both.
I got you. Gotcha. Yeah.
But
That's kind of like the Travis Scotts.
oh yeah.
The lows.
Oh, yeah.
They do one Jordan logo, one Travis Scott logo. Yeah, man. What about you? Like the sole? I do like the sole. It's got like the crema.
The creme
The crema.
and the black and the brown. Sole's cool.
I like this, man. Overall, I'm really impressed with this shoe.
I'm overall impressed with the A Ma Maniére collabs.
Yeah.
Can't say nothing bad about them.
I'm really excited for those 4s, man.
Oh, the 4s.
But you know it comes after 4, right?
5?
Jordan.
Hey, I don't know. He's been kind of
If he pushes to the 5, I'll lose my mind. Man, I need those 5s. I don't even know what they look like. I don't even know what they look like, but I want them already. And I think I feel like 5s a lot of women would wear too. 4s and 5s.
So
actually.
do you think they would be low? No, they have.
Ooh, if they did
mids.
no, because he's been
Are they mids or
following-
highs?
they're gonna be.
He's been following whatever the normal cut is, right?
Well, there's only
Yeah.
2. There's a highs. I mean, there's a lows. So if there's no lows, it's got to be a high.
Yeah, it's not a. There's no
Can't be a
I,
mid.
I think he'll do a high.
I mean,
Mid?
Hey, you got it right. Now that I'm thinking about it, did we ever say Jordan 5 high? No.
Is it a high or a mid?
I don't
It's a
know.
mid.
We just say it's
Comment
Jordan 5.
in the
Jordan
section.
5. Fuck, we're gonna get roasted.
Comment below if you ever say Jordan 5 mids.
I mean,
Never.
technically, we have a fact checker.
Oh, where he at? Yeah, we'll just call it a 5.
Okay. Well, if they put out a Jordan 5, it's gonna. Definitely they won't do a low because he's been following all the normal looks of the retros.
Jordan 5, if they bring those out, oh my goodness.
Man, that I'll pay resale for.
Oh
No
my
problem.
goodness.
No problem. Take my money.
Take your money.
Or send it in.
But yeah, man, here it is. Jordan 2 A Ma Maniére collab. I'm gonna call this a candy bar. Right
Oh
here.
my god, look how sexy these are, dude. Oh. Let me just give you a little twirl. Cover girl. Oh yeah.
We are rusty.
We are ready. Drew, you got anything else to say about these?
It's a great summer shoe.
Great summer shoe,
Great winter shoe, too.
I think
All around shoe.
Oh, I'm gonna razzle dazzle this in the winter with a coat,
Hey.
a black coat and a hoodie. Oh, it doesn't even get that cold in California, but
you'll be cold.
I'll try to be
I'll be a
cold.
cold fit.
Yeah, I get that. Yeah, I got it.
That was weird. We've never done that with each other ever.
Would you dare say shoe of the year?
I would say it's up there, but I don't think the rest of the sneaker community would say that.
No.
Because
What else is up there?
They don't like the twos
for
that
this
much.
year,
Yes.
Especially the new kids. They don't like the twos that much.
what has released so far that's really good?
Not much.
Not
These.
Mm,
These.
There's
Yeah.
nothing hype, dude.
The
Nothing really.
Travis Scott Mocha
that's
is
gonna
gonna
be
come
good.
out.
Oh, that.
That's
But still, I don't know. I like the colorway, how they did it, and everything about it. So
So you think these are
Candy
currently
bar.
the shoe of the year?
I believe that. It has my vote.
Right now, yeah, it'll be up there.
Then there's really nothing coming out right now that I can really put my tongue on.
That you're
What?
waiting for, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Put
Like there's
my
nothing.
tongue
There's really nothing right now that I'm like excited about, except for the mocha. But all right, so I think we can all agree, as of what has released so far, this is probably the shoe of the year. So I would
Right
say,
now.
comment down below if you agree with us or if you disagree with us. What shoe do you think has the crown right now?
Mm-hmm. Don't forget, subscribe, like,
Comment. And go check out our Instagram, halfway_kicks. That's normally where I put it.
It was really
Oh no, I
hard.
put it here now.
That's all.
Yeah, halfway_kicks. I think that's it, man.
That is it.
Yeah.
Is you ready or is you not?
I'm ready.
Okay, I think so.
Do it off camera. Look. Do it off camera. Wait, do it off camera.
Off camera. I'm just.
But yeah, if we were to cut it off right now, this would be another shoe of the year.
Cut what off?
Yes. No, I got you.
Yeah, Lorena Bobbitt. Oh, thumbnail? Thummy?
I'm trying to tuck this in.
It's good, huh?
You can, it's right in the corner.
Ooh.
Yeah, top to hat.
Feels like I've been